Hi, and welcome back to Holistic Health TV. Today we're diving into natural and powerful ways to relieve migraines and headaches without medication. If you or someone you love suffers regularly, this video might be a game changer. Migraines are more than just headaches. They're often linked to inflammation, dehydration, poor nutrition, and even stress. The good news, nature has answers. Ginger root. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory. Studies show it can reduce migraine severity and duration. You can chew on a fresh slice or brew ginger tea when symptoms start. Magnesium-rich foods. People with migraines are often low in magnesium. Include leafy greens like spinach, kale, pumpkin seeds, and avocados in your meals. These help relax blood vessels and prevent spasms that trigger pain. Hydration with electrolytes. Dehydration is a silent migraine trigger. Drinking coconut water or lemon water with a pinch of sea salt restores lost electrolytes and keeps your brain hydrated. Peppermint oil. Rubbing peppermint essential oil onto your temples can help relieve tension headaches by relaxing muscles and improving blood flow. A few drops go a long way. Food sensitivity elimination. Sometimes headaches are caused by hidden food triggers. Common culprits include dairy, chocolate, and processed meats. Try eliminating one at a time for a few weeks to see if your migraines improve. Natural healing takes consistency, but the results are worth it. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more healing insights here on Holistic Health TV. See you in the next video.